everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So you guys know that I love getting some bubble bags in the mail, and I've got a couple. The reason I have two is because we missed our last month's bubble bag with all the hurricane madness that was going on. For those of you who have asked, we are getting back on our feet. Our town is recuperating. A lot of the counties around us are recuperating. And it's a long process for some. Some people are back into the swing. Some people haven't gotten quite back there yet, but we're working on it. With that being said, we did not do a review last month, but we are now back at it. And so you guys are going to get double the bubble. Okay, you guys, if you're new to my channel, hey y'all, how y'all doing? My name is Shakema. I'm a single mom raising two kids at home. I have two adult children, and we have a fur dog named Ma'am. So a couple months ago, maybe going on a year now, a company named Nadine reached out to me and asked me if I would like to be a monthly reviewer for their online clothing subscription bags. And I said I would be happy to. Nadine West does not pay me any compensation for the reviews I give. They understand that I'm going to give an honest review. I think I've done that. Sometimes they've hit it, sometimes they've not hit it. And there have been outfits that I was not so sure about that worked out lovely, and things I thought I would really love that didn't work out so lovely, but I enjoy the partnership. What you do is you go online to their website, NadineWest.com. You fill out a brief little quiz, and then they connect you with a styler. You put in your likes, your dislikes, things you would like to try, things you wouldn't like to try, clothing styles, modern, chic, classic, elegant. Then you put in the metals you like, gold, silvers, blends, no golds, no silvers. And then what they do is they will figure out a style for you for that month, and then they will send you a pink bag. So inside of the pink bag, you're going to get an invoice telling you everything that is in here. And then you're also going to get a return label, which you then affix to the front of your package. You put everything that you do not wish to keep back inside the bag. You send it back to them, and you are not charged for those items. So let's get into these bags. Okay, you guys, I've gotten these bags open and I'm excited. So I'm going to pull out my invoice. And then also, here's my return label. If there's something that you don't love, you stick that back onto the front of the bag, put everything back into the bag, and you send it back on them. So in this bag, I have two tops, a bottom, a dress, some earrings, a necklace, and a bracelet. Okay, all right, let's see. The top is called Field Day, that's pink. There's another top called Sway, that's red. The bottom are called Embossed Mesh. They have flowers. The dress is a V-neck sway, it's a V-neck green. The earrings are called Loopsy Daisies, and they're in gray. And the necklace is it's called Andromeda, and the bracelet is Borderline, that's gold. So let's pull out and see what we have. So as is Nadine West tradition, everything comes in a clear plastic bag. And then inside of the clear plastic bag, everything is wrapped in their signature pink tissue paper. And I love the presentation that they do. They always do a very, very good job. All right, okay. So this is what everything looked like in this bag. Any of your accessory pieces come in these cute little pink bags, and I've actually used these to put accessories in when I'm traveling, so these are very handy. So let's see, this is a shirt. Okay, this looks more like one of those baseball tees, you know, that has the sleeves here. So definitely not a dressy type thing, although I have a pair of black slacks I think would look really cute with this, and a pair of tan pumps, but I ain't sure. So I would definitely sport this with a pair of jeans and a low ballet flat or some low tops. I don't have low tops, but some Ked-like shoes. So I think that's cute. I really think that's cute. But I may pass this along. And this is in size, it doesn't tell me what my size is. Well, I'll look for it. Then I always love these burgundies. They call this red, but to me it's a burgundy. And it is the longer shirts. They kind of look more, they look almost dress-like, but it's not dress length. It is a 3/4 length sleeve, and I do like that detail there on the sleeve. It's kind of more gathered to me, but it is rather long. So I would definitely either wear this with leggings, tights, or pantyhose. The earrings are cute. Okay, here are the floral leggings. They send me a lot of leggings, which I don't necessarily wear out in public too much, but I will wear them to a, you know, a Sunday social or something like that where we don't have to get dressed up. And this is what the leggings look like. They're black, they're in floral, and they do have a mesh part there. So again, I could dress this by pairing it with this top and a nice pair of heels or boots. And then here is a green dress. The material feels nice. Their material always feels really good. Okay, no sleeves, and I'm not a sleeveless kind of girl. And I think I have a black one like this, but it does have the pockets. And I do have a couple of cardigans that I could wear over this to make it perfect for winter. And I do have some brown knee boots that I do like, so I think that might work as well. So that's the dress. They gave us a light pink bag this time, so that's neat. And here we have, these are the earrings, which are really cute. I really like the flowers, and that could go perfectly with that first top that I had. Here's a necklace. I am an accessory girl, so if I could find a good accessory, I can put anything with it. And then here's the necklace. I'm not really into golds too much, and I thought I had changed that to silvers. I have to go back and look at my profile again, but I really do love silvers quite a bit. And then this is what the bracelet looks like, which I think that's cute. All right, so that was in one bag. Let's go ahead and open up the other bag since we're going to try everything on at one time as well. Uh-oh. Okay, there are two in here. Oh, okay. So this bag had 2 bags. And in here we're getting, of course, I got my sheet and then my return label. 3 tops are Early to Rise gray, Crizzy, which is purple, and an Isabella green top. A bottom are Perfect Paisley navy somethings. Then earrings, I have Summer Sprigs, which are silver. I have a Shara necklace, which is, we'll see what that looks like. And then a bracelet called Drucy. So let's see what they have in this one. All right, let's see what's in this one. Okay. More leggings, but these look like they are knee leggings. So not quite, these won't go all the way down long, but I do like the Paisley pattern. Paisley's one of my favorite patterns, actually. Oh, this is a pretty top. And it's long sleeved. Oh my word. So look at the ribbons on the end of those sleeves. And look at the way that is. That's neat. Different, but neat. I have a pair of black pants that will go wonderful with this. And then a pair of black pumps. Definitely a work top for sure. Okay. That's called Hippie Chick. And then in this package, Okay, silver in this one as far as the accessories go. So let's see. Okay, this is pretty. Okay. All right, this is a cardigan. Again, I like this. So it's gray and white. So it's like a different pattern on the top and the bottom. Definite long sleeved. And that's nice. Like that one. And then let's see. Okay, that's just another long sleeve shirt. Just a regular. And I love this wine color. I could never get enough of this color. So that's beautiful. I do love that. I do have concern though, because of the keto. I'm starting to, and so I'm hoping I may have to go in and readjust some of my clothing sizes again. I've had to readjust before. We'll see how that goes. All right, this is okay. That's what this next necklace looks like. Which is pretty. Then we have a bracelet. Which I think is pretty. And then a pair of leaf earrings. I think I'll pass these on to Alana because they're not as blingish as I would like. But that's what the earrings look like. So let's get everything tried on and see what you think. Okay, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed that special try-on edition. It was a lot of fun having a second model to try on some of the things. I could have tried them all on, but there were a couple pieces that I felt like would be better suited to someone different. And so that is what we did. Didn't she look absolutely amazing? And she had a good time. So let's recap all of the things that they sent to us. The only thing that kind of gave me a little pause was the green dress. And the reason being is because that was a little bit shorter than what I'm used to wearing. But I had on tall knee boots, which helped. Probably would have needed to wear some leggings or some stockings, at least pantyhose. That could have helped me feel a little more comfortable. I didn't feel uncomfortable, but Alana's eyes were like, Mom, because they're not used to me wearing anything short, and I am a long dress skirt person. But again, it was coming outside of my comfort zone. We loved everything that we tried on. We did not try on the long sleeve burgundy shirt. That was this same color. I have a couple of those in the same color scheme, and so I was confident that it would look okay. We also did not try on all of the jewelry pieces. This piece I did not try on at all, but I feel like this would go well for either myself or Alana. And I'm thinking if I have a clip of some kind to clip these two pieces together to make it shorter, or to just give it a different look. But I'll find something to clip together to make that work. So I always think with their accessories that I can use some of theirs and some of mine. And we were trying to get the review done, so we didn't try them all. But I did try on this piece, which I do like. I do like that layered as well with another piece. So that's a good piece for me. And then I used a piece that I already had. So it worked out very, very well. So there it is, ladies and gentlemen. That is your Nadine West Double Bubble review bag for the months of October and November. We hope that you enjoyed this try on. It's probably September and October. I'm sure my months are wrong, but that was our last two bags that we got. If you're interested in trying out Nadine West for yourself, I will leave a link to their website in the description box below. Please leave Alana some comments and let her know whether you enjoyed her try on. I'm sure she would enjoy reading those comments. Again, remember, Nadine West does not pay me for my review. They just allow us to keep the clothing that we like for an honest feedback and review of their items. We loved everything this bag. Green dress, we're going to keep working with it. I thought it paired well with the winter white sweater. I do have I have a brown sweater that I actually thought to pair it with first, but I think it's in the dryer, so I wasn't able to show that. But I do think I'm going to pair it with the brown for the winter, although the winter white did not look bad. So thank you guys so much again for stopping by our channel, and we'll see you next review bag. Bye now.